In this video, we're going to show you how to print or view uniform reports. You'll select step number 3. First option is to print or view the uniform report, the name and number list. That comes in. You have your return to main, the Fruehauf main button here, return to your main menu, sort. You can also view this by students' names, show all records, make sure that all records are visible. You can print this form, navigate between the records, and access your help. If you notice right here, this little black line shows, this little black bar right in here shows which record we're actually on. Coming to this to print, you would click on your print button and follow your print instructions. You can also view this list by name. If you notice here, we have 3 uniforms that are assigned out of the entire listing. Coming back into our reports, we are able to print the uniform bag label for a single garment or all assigned. It asks you whether you want to do a single. If you want to do a single, you'll be asked to find that student's record. You'll type in their name and click find, and then follow the print instructions from there. In this case, I'm going to show you the assigned button. So now it's telling us that we need to print on regular paper and cut on the dotted line and insert those into our window on our garment bag, or we can use Avery Labels 8163, which are 2 inches by 4 inches wide or equal. If you notice, we have 3 garments here that are assigned. It's showing us the coat number, the pant number, the size, and the pant size of that garment. And then from there we would run through and do our print process. For the sake of this video, I'm not going to actually print. Print the uniform bag labels. This label just shows the uniform number only and the size. If you notice, we have coat number 1, pant number 1, and the size. This label should be in your garment bag window. You can also print these on regular paper and cut on the dotted line, or print them on Avery Labels. This label in there is just to show you what garment is in the bag and what size it is. The assigned labels show you who it's assigned to. So we recommend that this label stay in the garment bag at all times, and when the garment bag is assigned, place the assigned label in front of it. When the garment is returned and it is unassigned at the end of the season, remove the assigned label, retaining the uniform label in that window. And once again, for the sake of this video, I'm not going to actually print. Same thing goes with your hat box. You can either print all assigned hat box labels or print hat numbers only. In this case, I'm going to show you how to do a single one. Let's say one garment or one hat box is missing its assignment label. You could come in, go to the find page, and we're going to put in Smith Bill and click continue. In that case, we did not find anything. So let's just try Smith. And if you notice here, we have found Jack Smith's. It's not Bill Smith, it's Jack Smith. We have found his hat box label showing hat number 1 and a size of 7 1/4, and hat number 1 is assigned to Jack Smith. It's telling you to print on Avery Labels 8163, 2 inches high by 4 inches wide or equal, and then go through the print process. You also have your return to main menu button. You can return to the student size entry page or access your help screen.